It is the is it? It is
23rd, maybe?
No, it is the 22nd of September 2022. We are in La Palma. Haven't got any plans as per normal. Just going to go for a wander today and see what's about. Our legs are a bit achy from the walk yesterday, so not too bothered about going too far. But we're going to go for a walk probably along the seafront and just see what happens. Yeah, fine. We've just got off the ship and come out of the port and we've turned right. Everyone else seems to be going straight on.
Following the blue line.
Following the blue line to the city, perhaps. Yeah. But we've turned right. We just want to walk along the seafront, really, and we're having a look to see what's along here. So we've walked along the seafront and that was nice along the beach, washed our feet off, which was nice as well, so we haven't got sandy feet. Got to the end, just really sort of working out which way to go. Looks like there's some old ship just across from where we are currently, so probably going to go and have a look at that. And also there's some steps up and we decided that despite walking really far yesterday, obviously our legs don't ache enough, so we'll walk up some steps and see if we can get a little bit of height and look down across the bay from wherever we find. So that was a nice walk back down to the town. The shops are quite interesting, nice little quaint shops. Bought Amanda a nice little bracelet made of volcanic rock or lava, and now we've just stopped and just having a quick coffee and orange juice for Amanda. So just been, that was a nice walk. That was quite pleasant, wasn't it? Little shops were good, nice and easy, nothing too strenuous. I don't think our legs could have taken us today. We're just on our way back now, just back to the ship, and I'm not convinced we're going the right way. Oh yes we are. So we're following the blue line back to the ship, and just going to have a sit down and work out what we're doing for the rest of the day.